Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for this video because, as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Le Mini Macaron, and they recently released a brand new Le Maxi Deluxe Gel Manicure set. Today I've got La Vie on Bloom, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and swatches of the polishes in this collection, and at the end I'm going to do a fun little nail art design using this set. I've also got a new affiliate code for Le Mini Macaron, which is LMM Caramel, and you'll get 10% off at leminimacaron.com. This code is valid until February 2nd, 2022, and I'll leave the updated codes in the description box below. As soon as you open the set, you'll see the 4 mini gel polishes in the shades French Gardenia, Pink Peony, Cherry Blossom, and Black Lily. And also right in the center is the big pink glossy Le Maxi LED lamp. So this is the Le Maxi lamp. This is a glossy light pink color. If you watched my unboxing and review of the Butterfly Dreams Le Maxi set, you'll notice that it's about the same color, but this one's glossy, whereas that lamp was matte. In the back, there's a little port for the USB plug to go in, and on the bottom of the lamp is an on and off switch, as well as a removable piece that you can remove easily to make it easier to cure your pedicures. At the bottom of the box, you got a cute little sticker pack with a bunch of pink flowers on it. There's also a travel case that'll fit your Le Maxi lamp as well as any gel polishes that you want to take on the go. And in the bag are a set of instructions, a long USB cable, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and 20 individually wrapped pre-soaked lint-free remover wipes. For the Le Maxi lamp, you need to make sure that the USB end of the cable is plugged into a USB port, and then the smaller end of the cable plugged into the back of the lamp. Then make sure the lamp is turned on the bottom, and you'll see the little green light flashing on the top. Then to start the lamp, all you need to do is tap the sensor on the top of the lamp, and you'll see that it turns on. You can tap it once again to turn it off, or it will automatically shut off after 60 seconds. And to prep my nails, I'm going to use a nail file to shape my nail and also to very gently roughen up the surface of my nail just a little bit, and this is going to help my nail polish last a lot longer. Then I'll dust off any of the debris on my nail, and I'll use the cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles, which is also going to help my manicure last longer. And now that my nails are prepped, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is French Gardenia, which is a milky off-white gel polish. When I apply gel polishes, I always make sure to apply a super thin first coat because this is going to help the gel polish cure completely and evenly. And I've also noticed that it lasts longer if I use thinner coats versus thicker coats. Then I'll cure that in the Le Maxi lamp for 60 seconds and I'll apply my second coat. With the second coat, you can apply it slightly thicker than the first coat, but I still prefer to apply thinner coats. Again, I'll cure that in the Le Maxi lamp for 60 seconds. I applied a third thin coat to reach full opacity, and then I cured that once again for 60 seconds in the Le Maxi lamp. And here's 3 coats of French Gardenia. Next up is Cherry Blossom, which is a light pink gel polish. Again, I applied 3 thin coats to reach full opacity, and these gel polishes actually have a 3-in-1 formula, so they're combining a base coat, the color coat, and a top coat all in one formula. So you don't need that extra step of the base and top, so I really don't mind applying the 3 coats. And here's 3 coats of Cherry Blossom. The third polish is Pink Peony, which is a fairly bright blue-toned pink gel polish. This totally reminds me of a classic Barbie pink, and you could totally get away with 2 coats as long as your second coat is a little bit thicker, but again, I applied 3 really thin coats, and I cured it after each coat for 60 seconds. And here are 3 coats of Pink Peony. And last but not least is Black Lily, which I'd describe as a deep and rich wine or plum shade. Again, with this polish, I'm applying a super thin first coat. I think it actually looked great in 2 coats, but that third coat just richened and deepened that plum shade a little bit more. Again, I cured it in the Le Maxi lamp for 60 seconds after each coat. So here are 3 coats of Black Lily. Now onto a fun drag marble design using 3 of the polishes from the set. I'm starting off by applying 2 coats of Cherry Blossom to all of my nails as a base and fully curing that for 60 seconds after each coat. Then I applied a 3rd coat and I left that 3rd coat uncured, and that's super important for this drag marble design. Then I went in with Pink Peony and a dotting tool and I painted a vertical line down the center of my nail, and then one more line on the right and the left. And then in between those 3 vertical lines that I painted with Pink Peony, I'm using French Gardenia and a dotting tool to paint 2 more vertical lines. Next, I'm going to use my Mini Macaron La liner brush, which I love because it's got a cap and it's perfect for gel nail art. And I'm going to drag the uncured gel polish. So I'm going to be dragging my brush horizontally across my nail, alternating from right to left and left to right. This is going to create a really cool zigzag drag marble pattern, and this is why it was super important not to cure that 3rd layer of Cherry Blossom at the start, because it makes the dragging a lot easier and smoother. Once I was finished dragging the polish and creating that drag marble design, I cured my nails in the Le Maxi lamp for 60 seconds. And here's the finished drag marble design. If you want to see what I put on top of this design, stay tuned for a future video. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 4 polishes from the Mini Macaron La Vie on Bloom Le Maxi Set. Again, you can use my new discount code LMMCaramel for 10% off at leminimacaron.com, or the links down below in the description box. I'll also leave any updated links once this one expires. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you want to see some more of my Mini Macaron videos, you can click the playlist that's linked on your screen or in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!